if your iMessage is stuck on waiting for activation. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this error on any iPhone. Now just watch this video till the end and follow my steps properly so you could fix your issue. Now first of all, just go to your home screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Preferably just connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. But if your iPhone is out of the range of your Wi-Fi, you can use cellular data. Now after that, just turn on airplane mode, then wait for a few seconds and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. Then check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then follow the next step. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Now from here, just check if the date and time on your iPhone are correct or not. If they are incorrect, just tap on it and set the date manually from here. Now just do the same with the time. And also you have the option to enable Set Automatically. If you enable this toggle, your iPhone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on VPN and Device Management. Now from here, just check if you have any VPN network or any profile connected to your iPhone or not. If there is any profile or VPN network connected to your iPhone, just disconnect it from here. After you do that, then just go back and in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app, then tap on it. And from here, just scroll down and look for the option of iMessages. Now from here, just disable the toggle for iMessages. Then just go to your home screen and close the Settings app. And if the Messages app is running in the background, just close it. Now after you close all the apps which are running in the background, then perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after the force restart process is completed, then just go back to Settings and tap on Apps. From here, just look for the Messages app and tap on it. Now just go back to the iMessage section and enable the toggle for iMessages. Now just wait for a few seconds and this should fix the waiting for activation error on your iPhone. Now just make sure you tap on Send and Receive and make sure you select your Apple ID or your phone number so you can receive iMessages on that account. But if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and from here just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you do that, then just go back to the General Settings. Now this time just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and from here just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And after you've done that, now just connect your iPhone back to your Wi-Fi network and enable iMessages from the settings. And this is how you can fix the iMessage waiting for activation error on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.